So I got a GoPro Hero 10 recently. It was one of those decisions that came as somewhat of a logical conclusion to a sequence of events that happened beforehand. I had my sights set on DJI AirOS initially, but it was one of those things where the different packages are somewhat complex. I'm still waiting for them to do something about the smart controller, and the regulations and operations are also pretty complicated, so it's going to kind of like take a while to figure those things out. And so, maybe the interim GoPro will do just as well. And then what happened was I started buying lots of clothes on top of that. There would be enough to last me for the next 5 years, I think. I finally had to do it because stickers were literally falling out of my t-shirts. So I have to get this supply of clothing and apparel replenished, and I just felt so drained at the end of it that I figured I needed something to energize me, something to, boost my mood from doing that shopping of clothes. So again, it could be a GoPro, right? Nothing like a mood booster like that. And then this was all happening around Black Friday, which concluded just last week, right? So it was all very timely, and that's why I ended up getting GoPro Hero 10 as a logical conclusion to all these things that happened. So anyway, without further ado, I kind of wanted to really finish the unboxing because in one of my previous videos, someone was saying that you can kind of literally see all of my face rather than the product itself, which is still what you are saying mostly until this point. But anyway, so I'm gonna kind of stitch this in with some of the previous taking out of the cardboard thing that I did, and then now we are going to also try to have a look at the GoPro. Inside the case that I got, and I'm actually hoping to also try to set up as another camera source for a live stream. But anyway, let's just proceed by checking out this case. It's back, and it feels pretty solid. And then, as you kind of look inside, there are all these things, right? So actually there's not much of unboxing to be done because I ordered with the accessories bundle as well as some other stuff, and then it just all came in this handy little case. Yeah, let me take the little GoPro out. But as you can see, I have indeed never taken it out from this casing before. Now, let me remove this. How do I gently remove this? You know what? I guess I could just do this. Okay. Do I have to keep all this cardboard inside the chair? I guess we do. It helps to keep things in place. So I've removed that white thing, the white paper. Should I remove all these things as well? It can't help me to protect this thing. But then I also already got a case for this. But anyway, I think I'll just keep it there for the time being. So this is it.